Hello superstar, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I shared a strategy that you can use to grow your account trading against the spike. But in this video, I will show you a very simple strategy that you can use to catch the spike on boom and crash. If you stay to the end of this video, you will learn how to use this strategy to 10x your account. Let's dive into the tutorial now. This strategy works on the 1 minute time frame and can be applied on boom 500, boom 1000, crash 500, and crash 1000. And also, the strategy requires just one indicator, and the indicator is the relative strength index. Now let's go over to see how we're going to set it up and also the conditions required to use the strategy. We use period 14 and apply to close. Then you have 3 pixels of the style. Then you select a color of your choice. Then we'll take a look at the levels. We need just 2 levels here, and that is the level 10 and also the level 90. Now in the description section of the levels, you want to add boom to the level 10 and also crash to the level 90. And with that, you set your style to 2 pixels and choose any color of your choice. With that done, we get back to the chart and let's see the conditions required to trade with this strategy. For boom, we're looking out for price to get to the oversold zone of the RSI. Then we enter for a buy. Now let's take a look at a quick example. Now let's look at this example up here. You can see that price is in an uptrend and there happens to be a very long retracement, right? And in the middle of that retracement, we had an attempt for a spike twice, right? So this happened the first time and the second time. Then the third time, what happened? The condition was met. Price got to the RSI, and what happened? The spike took place. Now let's take another example, and I want to show you something in here. Take a look at this instance here, what you have here. You see that price went down and there was a very slight attempt. You can see it got to the oversold zone and there was a very little attempt and the spike really didn't happen that much. And what happened? We had more spikes, we had more candlesticks going downwards. This makes us to remember that there's no strategy that is 100% accurate. So that means whenever you're taking a trade, you have to decide how much you're going to risk or how many candlesticks you're going to risk while taking this trade setup. So you don't want to risk more than 5 to 10 candlesticks. If it doesn't go to your way, what happens? You close out that trade and you wait for another opportunity. Okay, let's take a look at this strategy on crash 500. Awesome. Can you see that on crash you're looking out for price to get to the overbought zone? Then you take a sell and ensure that it meets this condition. You can see that on this example we have price hitting the overbought zone, and if you can come in on this, the second candlestick, the second blue candlestick before the spike, you will see that you are risking just 1 or 2. If you're risking 5 candlesticks, you see it wouldn't get to your risk before the spike. Okay, let's take another example quickly on the same crash 500. Now look at this. Price keeps going upwards and we have it, the first spike, which was an attempt. Then the next one, it got back into that oversold zone, and what happened? There was another spike. I want you to try out this strategy on your demo account, and you can get back to this video and let me know the results that you got from this strategy. You can comment it on the comment section down there, and if you have any questions, drop it there and I'm going to respond to your questions as soon as I go through the comment section. Okay, let's look at another example on crash 1000. Can you see it? Can you see the kind of structure we have on the market? It is meeting that condition. Look at it. Price went above it, risking a particular number of candlesticks. You can go in and you see what happens. spike. What happens? Another spike, crash, right? It keeps crashing. As soon as it gets to the RSI oversold zone, you go in for a sell, and then you monitor your risk, and then you take the profit in there. So now, how do you use this trade strategy to 10x your account? Everything boils down to what? Understanding the number of pips you're going to be making and what lot size you're going to be making use of. So let's see, for this particular strategy, how many pips did this spike give us? This particular spike gave us about 5 pips. Can you see we have a 52 written there? The 52 represents 52 pipettes. And 10 pipettes, remember that 10 pipettes gives us 1 pip. So this means 5 pip. So if you took this setup with a $2 per pip, that's the 0.2 lot size, you're going to be making $10 with this. So look at, just imagine that you have more of these setups and you take the same thing and you have a $20 account and you took that, you made how much? You made $10. You take another one, that gives you $10. That is how much? $20. And you have made how many percent of your account? 100% of your account. And with that, you can keep on looking for this strategy in the market, look out for the conditions to be met, and then you take the same trades over and over, patiently waiting for it to meet the condition before you enter the trade, and then you're going to make huge profit. Can you see that? It's happening over and over again on Crash Index, right? Can you see it? Can you see the condition is being met here? Try out this strategy and let's see how it works for you. Remember to comment on the comment section. Okay, I will be posting more videos on these strategies that you can use to grow your small account. If you want to be notified whenever we post a new video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a new video. My name is 𝗪𝗪 and I'm always here to help.